Imagine an evening where you can enjoy fine wine, delicious hors d'oeuvres, and fascinating insights about one of the ocean's most mysterious creatures, the great white shark, right here on Cape Cod. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite their fearsome reputation, these sharks are not the mindless killers many believe them to be. On September 18th, the Cape Cod Museum of Natural History will host a special lecture that dives deep into the world of white sharks, featuring none other than the renowned scientist Dr. Greg Skomal. Dr. Skomal, a leading expert from the Massachusetts Shark Research Program, has dedicated over 16 years to studying these incredible predators off the coast of Cape Cod. He has personally tagged more than 300 white sharks using cutting-edge technology, aiming to unravel the secrets of how these apex predators hunt seals and, importantly, how we can minimize dangerous encounters between sharks and humans. This is the part most people miss. Understanding shark behavior is key to coexistence, not just fear. The event begins at 6 p.m. with a welcoming reception offering wine and hors d'oeuvres, setting the perfect tone for an engaging evening. The lecture itself starts promptly at 6:30 p.m., where Dr. Skomal will share his groundbreaking research and first-hand experiences. As a senior fisheries biologist with the Massachusetts Division of Marine Fisheries and director of the Massachusetts Shark Research Program, his expertise is widely recognized. He has contributed extensively to scientific literature and has been featured in documentaries on major platforms like National Geographic, the Discovery Channel, and PBS. Tickets for this unique experience are priced at $60 per person, with all proceeds supporting the museum's educational initiatives. Given the popularity of Dr. Skomal's talks, reservations are required and can be made easily online at ccmnh.org. For those who prefer to inquire by phone, the museum staff is available at 508-896-3867, extension 133. Located at 869 Route 3A in Brewster, the Cape Cod Museum of Natural History offers not just a venue, but a community hub for learning about the natural world around us. This event is a fantastic opportunity to deepen your understanding of white sharks beyond the myths and sensationalism. And here's a question to ponder. Are we doing enough to protect these magnificent creatures while ensuring public safety? Or is the fear of sharks still overshadowing the facts? Share your thoughts and join the conversation after the lecture, because when it comes to sharks, there's always more beneath the surface. This article was crafted by reporter Beth McDermott with the support of artificial intelligence, ensuring accuracy and clarity throughout the reporting process. For more on journalistic ethics and the role of AI in news, visit cm.usatoday.com/ethical-conduct.